To install the Diggz Free99 Kodi Addon, start by clicking the gear icon at the top left for system settings. Next, head to File Manager and select Add Source on the left. Click where it says None and type in the URL https://nebulous42069.github.io/digzy/. In the box below, name it Diggz Repo and click OK. Double-check everything, then return to the main menu and select Add-ons. Click the add-on package installer icon at the top left, then choose Install from zip file. If prompted, enable unknown sources and select Diggz Repo. Click on repository.diggz23.zip and wait for the notification that the Diggz repository is installed. Now, click Install from repository, select Diggz Repo, then Video Add-ons, and finally, click on Diggz Free99 to install it. Enjoy the free links and happy streaming!